Namaste. Engineering Mathematics Module Numerical Solution of Ordinary Differential Equations of First Order and First Degree. So, Module Numerical Solution of Ordinary Differential Equations of First Order and First Degree. So, problem number 3rd. From Taylor's series method find y of 0.1 considering up to 4th degree terms. 4th degree term if y of x satisfies the equation dy by dx equal to x minus y square. So y of 0 equal to 1. So from Taylor's series method, find y of 0.1 considering up to 4th degree term if y of x satisfies the equation dy by dx equal to x minus y square, y of 0 equal to 1. Okay. So solution for this problem. So we know the Taylor series method. Taylor's series expansion of y of x is given by. So first we should write the Taylor series expansion of y of x. So y of x equal to y of x naught plus x minus x naught into y dash of x naught plus x minus x naught whole square divided by 2 factorial y double dash of x naught plus x minus x naught q to the power of 3 divided by 3 factorial y triple dash of x naught. So plus etc. Actually 4th degree andre 4th tanaka baribekaita. So here find out the y of 0.1 andre when x equal to 0.1. So what about y anta godaitala. So dy by dx means y dash is given, so that is dy by dx equal to x minus y square, and y of 0 means when x equal to 0, so when x naught equal to 0, x naught value, initial x value is 0, so then y naught equal to 1. If x naught equal to 0, then y naught equal to 1. So find out y of x naught. Y of x naught anta helidre y of 0. So y of x naught equal to y of 0 equal to 1. Okay. Next to y dash of x naught. So y dash of x naught equal to x naught minus y naught square equal to x naught. X naught is 0. 0 minus y naught is 1 whole square. So 1 square is 1. So minus 1. Y dash of x naught is minus 1. Next, take the differentiation of y dash. So we'll get y double dash equal to differentiation of x with respect to x is 1 minus differentiation of y square with respect to x is 2y into y dash. Okay, chain rule apply ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. So it implies y double dash of x naught equal to 1 minus 2 into y of x naught into y dash of x naught equal to 1 minus 2 into y of x naught. So y of x naught is 1 into y dash of x naught is minus 1. So y double dash of x naught is minus minus plus 1 plus 2 is 3. Next, so differentiation of y double dash. Differentiation of y double dash is y triple dash equal to differentiation of 1. So that is 0 because constant adu minus 2 into, so first function as it is, differentiation of y dash is y double dash plus the second function y dash as it is, differentiation of y is y dash. So y triple dash equal to minus 2 into y double dash plus y dash whole square. It implies y triple dash of x naught equal to minus 2 into y of x naught into y double dash of x naught plus y dash of x naught whole square. Use the flower bracket. Okay. Minus 2 into y of x naught. So y of x naught is 1. 1 into y double dash of x naught. Y double dash of x naught is 3. Plus y dash of x naught. Y dash of x naught is minus 1. So minus 1 whole square equal to minus 2. 1 into 3 is 3 plus minus 1 whole square is 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 2s are 8. So minus 8. So y triple dash of x naught is minus 8. Next, differentiation of y triple dash. So that is 4 andre 4th order ina barutte. So y 4th, okay, equal to minus 2, take it outside. Y double dash ಗೆ differentiate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Use product rule. First function y as it is. Differentiation of y double dash is y triple dash plus second function as it is. Differentiation of first one y ಗೆ differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ y dash plus, so differentiation of y dash square is 2 into y dash. Again differentiate of y dash is y double dash. Chain rule apply ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. Equal to minus 2 into y triple dash plus here y dash y double dash, here also y dash y double dash. So ಎರಡು side ಇದೆ. Coefficient here 2, here coefficient is 1. 2 plus 1 is 3 into y dash y double dash. Next, it implies y fourth of x naught equal to minus 2 into y of x naught into y triple dash of x naught plus 3 into y dash of x naught y double dash of x naught equal to minus 2 into y of x naught. So y of x naught is 1. So substitute y of x naught is 1. Y triple dash of x naught. Y triple dash of x naught is minus 8 plus 3 into y dash of x naught. Y dash of x naught is minus 1. So minus 1. Then y double dash of x naught. Y double dash of x naught is 3 equal to minus 2 minus 8 minus 3 3 is a 9. So equal to minus 2 minus 17. So y fourth of x naught equal to minus minus plus 217 or 17 2s 34. Okay, next to find y of 0.1 ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು. y of 0.1 ಅಲ್ಲ, y of 0.1 ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0.1. ಸೊ substitute these values along with x equal to 0.1 in equation number 1 ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ next y of 0.1 equal to, see here, y of x naught is how much? 0. y of 0. So y of 0 plus x value is 0.1 minus x naught is 0. Y dash of x naught, so y dash of x naught is minus 1. Y dash of x naught, so that is minus 1. So minus 1 plus x is 0.1. 0.1 minus x naught is 0. 0 whole square divided by 2 factorial is 2 into y double dash of x naught. Y double dash of x naught. Y double dash of x naught is 3. 3 plus x is 0.1 minus x naught is 0 whole cube divided by 3 factorial is 6. 3 factorial is 6. Y triple dash of x naught, so that is minus 8. Minus 8 plus 4th degree terms ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 4th degree ತನಕ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 0.1 minus 0 to the power of 4 divided by 4 factorial is 24. Next y fourth of x naught, so that is 34. Next, so y of 0 is 1. So y of 0.1 equal to y of 0 is 1 plus minus 0.1 into 1 is 0.1. Next plus 3 by 2, 0.1 whole square, 0.1 whole square plus minus 8 divided by 6. 0.1 minus 0 is 0.1 whole cube. 0.1 whole cube plus 34 by 24. So 0.1 to the power of 4. So after calculation, we'll get y of 0.1 is 0.9138 is the answer. After simplification, ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ದಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೂಡ. ಟೇಲರ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಬೈ, ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಟೇಲರ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬೈ ಡೇಟಾ. ಸೊ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲೈಸ್ y of x naught equal to y naught ಅಂತ ಇರೋದು ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಇಟ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲೈಸ್. ಸೊ x naught is 0, so x naught is 0, y naught is 1, so y naught is 1. So dy by dx is y dash equal to x minus y square. So then ಈ x naught ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ 0 ಬರೆಯುತ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. x naught is 0, x minus x naught, x ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ, ಇದು x naught 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬರೀ x ಮಾತ್ರ. ಸೊ y dash of x naught is 0, y dash of 0 plus, so here x square because x naught is 0 divided by 2 factorial is 2. Y double dash of x naught, so x naught is 0 plus x minus x naught is 0, so x whole cube divided by 3 factorial, y triple dash of x naught is 0, so y triple dash of x naught is 0. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 4th degree ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾರಲ್ಲ, 4th degree ತನಕ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. x4 ಅದೇ ಥರನೇ y0, yದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟು ದ ಪವರ್ 0, 1, 2 ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, x ಪವರ್ 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 4 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 1 factorial, 0 factorial. So 0 factorial is 1. 1 factorial is also 1. Minus y square, because in the problem is given. So dy by dx equal to x minus y square. Dy by dx is y dash. Y dash equal to x minus y square. Y dash equal to x minus y square. So then y dash of 0, because x naught is 0, equal to x anta helidre x naught 0 agutte. Y is y naught is 1. Minus 1 square is minus 1. Actually minus 1 square is plus 1 agutte. Minus 1 square idre minus 1 agutte. Hige. Next to y double dash means differentiation of y dash with respect to x andre y double dash equal to differentiation of x with respect to x is 1 minus y square ಗೆ differentiate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು first. Overall differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2y, again y ಗೆ differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ y dash. ಅಂದರೆ chain rule use ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. y double dash of x naught is 0. Okay, equal to 1 minus 2 y naught of x naught ಅಥವಾ y of 0. y of 0 is 1. Next y dash of 0 is also minus 1. Y dash of 0 is minus 1. So minus minus plus 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. Y triple dash of x naught or y triple dash of 0 is ಈ 1 ಗೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅದು 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. minus 2 as it is. y dash ಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ y as it is. ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ y dash is y double dash plus second function y dash as it is. Differentiation of y is y dash. So y dash into y dash is y dash square agutte. Next to y triple dash of x naught is 0. Okay, idu minus 2 hage barire. Y of 0 athwa y of x naught is 1. Y double dash of x naught or y double dash of 0 is 3 plus y dash of 0 is minus 1. Illi whole square ide, whole square. So after calculation minus 8 anta barutte y triple dash of 0. Next fourth degree terms tanka alva. So y fourth anta helidre differentiation of y triple dash with respect to x minus 2 as it is. Y into y andre first function as it is. Differentiation of y double dash is y triple dash plus second function into differentiation of y is y dash plus y dash whole square ಗೆ differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 into y dash into y double dash ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Again y dash ಗೆ differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ y double dash minus 2 as it is. y triple dash ಬರೀರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ y dash y double dash y double dash ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1. 2 plus 1 is 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ y4 of 0 or y4 of x naught is minus 2. y of 0 is 1. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, y of 0 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 1 ಅಂತ. y triple dash of 0 is minus 8 plus y dash of 0 is minus 1. Next y double dash of 0 is 34. So ಇದು fourth derivative ತನಕ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So 34 is the answer. Next to find y of 0.1 find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, we shall substitute these values along with x equal to 0.1 in equation number 1ಗೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಟೇಲರ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡಿಗೆ ಆಫ್ y of xಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. x ಅಂದರೆ 0.1 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಇದು y of 0 is 1 plus x is 0.1. y dash of 0 is minus 1. y dash of 0 is minus 1 plus 0.1 whole square divided by 2 factorial is 2. y double dash of 0 is 3. Next 0.1 to the power of 3 divided by 3 factorial. 3 factorial is 6. Next y triple dash of 0 is minus 8 plus 0.1 to the power of 4 divided by 4 factorial. 4 factorial is 24 into y4 of 0 is 34. So after the calculation we'll get y of 0.1 is 0.9138 is the answer. Okay, thank you so much.